A broken website link is annoying. In the physical world, a staircase without a ramp acts as an impassable blockade. To eliminate these physical and digital barriers, the Indian government launched the Accessible India campaign, officially known as the Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan. This campaign started with massive public momentum. Here's a look at the nationwide launch, where crowds mobilized under official flags to demand equal access. By addressing the built environment, transit, and digital space simultaneously, the government aims to integrate accessibility into the core design of public infrastructure for the Divyangjan. To achieve a barrier-free environment, the strategy divides into 3 pillars. Built environment retrofits public buildings with ramps and accessible restrooms. Transport upgrades airports, stations, and buses with boarding aids. ICT upgrades government websites for screen readers and integrates sign language into TV broadcasts. We can see this ecosystem in action. Citizens are utilizing specialized transit modifications, safely navigating streets on 3-wheeled scooters while carrying the campaign flags. All 3 of these pillars most advance at the same time. If a transit system is accessible, but the destination building isn't, the entire chain of accessibility breaks down. So how does an individual citizen or an enterprise coordinator actually initiate a request for an accessibility upgrade? The administrative friction is low. The Aadhaar card is the only document requested, and even providing that is optional. This flowchart tracks requests through a 3-step process. Step 1, identification. Citizens flag infrastructure lacking accessibility. Step 2, audit and procurement. Auditors design modifications like ramps. Step 3, implementation. Citizens use the Sugamya Bharat app to log real-time feedback on the upgrades. By putting a direct reporting tool on mobile phones, the campaign effectively turns every citizen into an active, real-time auditor of the state's infrastructure. Regarding the financial logistics of these reporting tools, the cost to the public is 0. Applying for a building accessibility audit or reporting a physical barrier through the Sugamya Bharat app carries no official processing fees. This infographic highlights a specific fraud risk. You should beware of fake agencies that charge fees to issue bogus accessible compliance certificates to private building owners. Under this campaign, standard accessibility audits are never outsourced to private agencies. They are managed through verified government channels. Achieving a barrier-free India requires physical retrofits and code compliance, but it relies just as heavily on vigilant, scam-aware participation from the public.